Hello YouTube, I wanted to just show you or ask you how do I fix my TV or my Xbox. On my Xbox HDMI, when it goes to HDMI, plays no noise. It's really annoying. I just got this 1080p 40-inch TV a few days ago in my Xbox, and it's like really annoying me because I paid so much money and I can't even like play sound on it with the HDMI and I looked up a few YouTube videos on how to fix it, and look, they say display something, and then you have to go to console settings and display, and it doesn't say display something that has a word with display in it, and it's really annoying and I don't know how to fix it. So can you guys please comment below and tell me how to fix it? Thank you. Bye.